Okay, so one of the reason of trouble code P0810. It can be this bushing is worn and the bearing is stuck on some place. Look at this. I will move the clutch fork. You see? It's up and stuck. It's stuck on this place. I just removed this gearbox and I didn't remove this bearing. I keep it. And you see? Okay, from this side we have the clutch cover. Yeah, but you see, this is the moment it's stuck, and at this moment clutch actuator it also stuck and giving us the trouble code. So now I will remove the rubber and will spray with lubricant, yeah, to lubricate it, and we will see how it goes. You see, stuck, not moving. Yes, because this bushing from aluminum. Yeah, and it's, I feel by finger it's have some place where is the bearing is stuck. Okay, let's spray some lubricant. I'm using the lubricant with molybdenum. Yeah. See, pshik in all. Okay. Up again. Yeah, it's really funny. I always do this when I'm repair the clutch actuator. I'm always do this because I don't know how this bushing is worn out. Maybe it has grease, maybe not. You see, up, and some will go to this place, go to this bushing. Yeah, and also we have clutch cover and the clutch plate, and this lubricant will go to this bushing. You see? Yes, I got it. Now let's check now how it will move in. Up, much more better, but also stuck. Yeah, you see. And what need to do in this case? Even always need to do when you changing the clutch, need to clean the surface always. If you will not do this, the customer can back to you and say, wow, I have again P0810. Why? Because need to do like this. Look at this. Look at this, how it's worn out. In best, much more better to install to this bushing some another bushing of steel. Yeah, not from aluminum. Toyota did mistake, really. You see? Yes, I feel by finger how it's worn out. Yeah. And the gearbox did about 200 kilometers, but I think it's not true. I think it's about 300 or 400,000 kilometers. Now, need to take paper with this number P60 and grading until you will know feeling by finger that it has some problem. You see? It's take about 5 minutes. Yes, it's very fast. It's not complicated, not very easy. But you see, it must be, the surface must be that you will know, feel by finger. Yeah, it can has little little word, but you need to do it straight. Yes. If we'll not do it, the problem will back. So first with this paper, it's a big paper, yes, with big stones. After that, I'm taking another paper. It can be 400, or I took the 320. Oh, you see? Much more better, yeah. Little more. Oh, this one. And we spray, yeah. Like you do doing polish. Yes. Шик. You see, it's about maximum 10 minutes. Maximum 10 minutes job, but look at this. Look what I have. Perfect. See? Like a new. Now it will no problem. And Toyota says they don't need to put some lubricate, some grease to this bushing. But I think need to put little grease, yes. As you wish. Now let's check. I'm checking with old one bearing, and really it's much more better. Now it's not stuck. It's moving full way with no problem. You see? No problem. Now I will put little grease. But if you want to put the grease, use only high quality grease. The grease will know. Oh, this is the best grease. Yes, it's a very good grease. Also with molybdenum S2. Yeah, you see. And when I will install the bearing, all grease will go back. You will see it. Yeah, so grease is not problem. Toyota say don't put grease, but Toyota don't say that sorry, we did mistake. Yeah. Hop. Let's check. It's no grease, you see? All grease coming to the back side. I think it's no problem to put grease in this area. So okay, you can lubricate this area or don't lubricate as you wish, but to grinding this bushing must have, yeah, without will not work.